Namaste everyone, I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a good note. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the energy for this week according to the tarot. But before I begin the video, let me introduce myself. I'm Ruhi Ahluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I use different methods like yoga, meditation, Reiki, hypnosis, tarot, mediumship to help people to maximize their growth in their life. So let's begin what the tarot has to guide us for this week. To begin with, we have this beautiful card that tells us that this is the week full of opportunities. Opportunities are all around us. So this is the week where you have to be in the action mode. If you're not taking the right actions in the right way, you may not activate those opportunities. Also this week you have to have prudence. That means you have to be careful. No impulsive decisions, no impulsive reactions. Take your time, use your wisdom. Culture your wisdom this week and use your wisdom, base your decisions on your wisdom. As far as the professional life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell me that some people will have a lot of doubts, flaws, related to the new partnerships or new negotiations. I see a lot of people reflecting and not being able to take things in a very clear way, and that is okay. So that is why you have to base your decisions on your wisdom, introspection, ask yourself the right kind of questions, take your time. You might also need to seek help of somebody wiser than you. Do not hesitate to take wiser people in the decision making. As far as the finances are concerned, we have these two cards and the finances look great. This week we have the opportunities to generate new revenues. You will also receive any sort of material gifts in cash or in kind, and some people could renew their activities or maybe start new ventures, and that will help you to generate more than one source of revenue in your life. As far as the relations are concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this week get wiser, because this is the time to move ahead in your relationships. So you will not be moving back, but you will be going ahead. And I see a lot of a solid relationship in this week happening. That means that if you are wanting to construct something solid with someone, this week looks great for that kind of a relationship. As far as the health is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this week you really need to take care of your health, physically, mentally, emotionally. So this is the week where you have to get wiser. This is the week where you have to be aware of what are you consuming physically, emotionally, mentally, and try and meditate, try and do all sort of activities that will help you to ground, to center, because I see that some people might have troubles related to their lower body area. That means from your navel up to your feet. You might have some problem, digestive issues or problems in knees, etc. So this is the time to get really wiser with everything that you are consuming physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. The message of the week is this card that tells us that this is the week where you have to go slow. Slow and steady wins the race is the message of this week. No impulsive decisions, no hurrying up and taking decisions, making partnerships. Take your time, get wiser people involved in your life to make better decisions so that you do not regret later. And let me tell you that we have that kind of wisdom around us. You just need to tap into the right kind of people and take the right help in this week. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Also share this video with at least 3 people that you know to help guide, inspire others. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications about the future video. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.